everyone, how are you today? I hope you guys fine. Today I'm going to talk about several items needed for the basic started crochet project in any project that you wish. What you need basically, the first one obviously the hooks. I have several types of hook and then the number. We started with the smallest one that I have is number 0.55 millimeter, number 13, and then I have number 2, 1.5 millimeter, and then I have this one is number 2 millimeter. Okay. And then I have this is 2.25 millimeter, and then I also have the 3 millimeter, and then I have this is I bought separately. This is 3.5 millimeter. And there are four. I have 4 millimeter, and then the 5.5 millimeter, 5.50 millimeter. And then among these type of hooks, it's all depend on which type of yarn. So each yarn has different type of instruction to use. For example, this one, this is 100% acrylic, and then this is the name of the brand, Mona Lisa, Circulo Mona Lisa, and then 100% acrylic, and then with the 100 gram with the instruction of using 1.75 millimeter on number 2. And I do not have the 1.75 millimeter, so sometimes I use number 1.5, the number of 1.5, or I can go up to number 2. Number 2, this one, sorry, number 2. And if I want to make it the project slightly bigger, depend on the number. So for example, this one, I'm using the same type of the yarn, the 100% acrylic, and then make it double. So instead of using one strand of this yarn, I'll make it 2 strands of the yarn for this project. So the result is it's slightly firm. This is from the front, and then this is from the back. So this is a coaster. So I wanted to have the firm coaster that I can place it on the table with my cup. So I use a double strand of the yarn instead of using the single one. But you can use single one if you wish. It's not a problem. And then, but the size will be slightly smaller than this one. And then I have also this type of yarn. This is the brand. And then this one is say 500 meters, and then the instructions say for the similar with the first one is using 1.75 millimeter of crochet hook. And then I have DMC brand is a very famous in my place in Mauritius. and then the most favorite and then famous. And then this is type of cotton. This is 100% cotton, and then it's the weight is a 50 gram. And then the instruction here saying that the size is number 10, meaning you can see size number 10, and then the hook either from 1.5 to 1.75, and the length of this 267 meter. Okay. And now I have another GMC. This is the same 100% cotton, and then this one is slightly bigger. The first one was 50 gram, and then this one is 100 gram. And then the size of the hook is also depend on the size of 5. So you're reading in this column. This is the length is 266 meters, and then the crochet hook you can start with 1.75 millimeter, and then up to 2 millimeter crochet hook. Again, if like I said, that if you wish to use the biggest size of the hook, or number 3 or 3.5, then you can make you can double the thread as well, or triple the thread. Is depend on what project that you would like to start with. And I have another one called another brand, Claire. It's a 500 meters as well, and then this is 100% cotton, and then it's written 100% cotton. The weight is 75.6 gram or 500 meters, and then the crochet hook is 1.25 millimeter. So it's slightly smaller because of the type of yarn is very thin. Okay, so this is the, and then another part that obviously you need scissor to cut your yarn or finishing project, and then you will need as well the type of marker, yarn marker, and this is available in online shop. You can get it easily. Otherwise, if you don't have it, you can cut your yarn, and then you place marker in anywhere that you start your project to make it different between the first, to know it. For example, if you're making the round like this, to know where the first stitch that you started, then you can place the yarn different color to make it different, or otherwise you can place this marker. I like to use this marker because it's very practical, and you just place it like that, and then I will remember that where I start my yarn for the first time. Okay, and they have different colors, so it's very nice to see. And the last one, you will need the needles. This is the needle. Some of there is a plastic one, the bigger hole, so to put your, since I'm using the cotton yarn mostly small size, so for this type of needle it will be enough, should be enough, yeah, to close your project and finish it. Okay, so this is how I normally start with. So I should have my hook, type of hook depend on the size of the yarn, and then I will need the marker, and then I need the scissor. That's it. Then I can start my project, any project that I wish to start with. I hope you can, if you have anything else to add for equipment that you use to, you can also mention it below and then share with everyone. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much. I hope you like my tutorial or sharing the knowledge what to start to do the crochet project for the first time. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye.